Ayan, nakikita mo, umiiyak na yung tatay ko. Ito naman, the Badminton Cup, the JM Canlas Badminton Cup, which we're doing in honor of my late brother, si JM, who was a badminton varsity sa Lasal Green Hills and also used to be a child actor and sadly passed away, tragically passed away 2 years ago. Nag-first Badminton Cup na kami last year to raise funds kasi we established this kulit organization that aims to help adolescents with their mental health, people na wala talagang chance to learn more about it. We aim to educate a lot of people about mental health, not just the adolescents but even their parents, even everybody in general. And this Badminton Cup is to raise funds to help more people and also to have fun kasi sports is also therapy in a way and makakatulong sa mental health. And JM was very passionate about badminton and even mental health despite what happened. So gusto namin ipagpatuloy yung pagmamahal niya sa badminton and gamitin siya to help more people who especially are struggling with their mental health. So it's happening on March 29 and 30. This is the second Badminton Cup already and we aim to do this annually. So sana every year siya mangyari and every year mas lumaki kasi the more na lumaki tong event na to, the more na mawawala yung stigma and yung conversation around mental health na hindi tayo natatakot to talk about it kasi marami talaga sa atin either dinidisregard siya as a fact that really happens and it's really all about healthcare. It's part of healthcare. Hindi lang siya bastang katang isip or nalulungkot lang yung tao. Like, as a family, especially with what happened with their family, instead of like sulking and everything, we want to shift the perspective and instead of sulking, help more people instead. And ito yun, the JM Canlas Badminton Cup is our way of doing that. Madami, buong buhay. Other than that, like, syempre, bunso namin yan, right? And parang everything I was doing was for him, to make him study in a good school, matupad yung mga pangarap niya. But especially badminton, we played badminton almost more than once a week as a family, not just us. Siguro fondest memory ko was his last birthday nung sinalubong namin. March 4 kasi birthday niya. Tapos nung 2023, he was still around. March 3, he wanted to play badminton late at night. Tapos busy yung parents namin, busy yung kuya ko. So kaming dalawa lang naglaro. Tapos nakakainis nga, I have a video of that whole match nung March 3 na yun. Kaso nasira cellphone ko kasi hindi ko na mahanap yung file na yun. But I remember, tinalo niya ako. Parang 2 points lang yata ang score ko doon. Sobrang galing niya kasi maglaro. Tapos nag-enjoy lang kami. Tapos sinalubong namin yung birthday niya very humbly. Naglalaro na kami badminton kami dalawa. Tapos pag-uwi namin, nag-blow ng cake. Tapos pahinga na. But other than that, lahat yung supporta niya in general, namimiss ko whenever nagigising ako sa early in the morning na may tao nagbubukas ng mga cabinet ko. Tapos naghahanap ng damit. Kuya, pera mo ko nito. So, sige. Tapos matutulog lang ako. Nakakamiss yung mga small moments like that. And yung buong katauhan lang niya, sobrang nakakamiss. But at this point, we can't do anything about it but be proactive and instead help more people who are struggling with what he struggled with. And he will always be remembered. Hindi naman siya makakalimutan. Every Sunday, we always visit him sa Cavite. He's laying in rest right now sa Cavite kasi. So as a family or kung sino man available that day, we always visit him every Sunday. And yun, magbabonda sa family. Ayan, nakikita mo, umiiyak na yung tatay ko. Still coping. I think grief, in general, it never ends. Parang we've been seeing doctors, psychiatrists trying to help us cope with this grief. But also marami ring blessings bigla sa trabaho, not just with me but my dad and my brother. Na we're busy there and that's a good way of coping as well. But other than that, from the moment talaga na nangyari lahat, syempre we were grieving and on, but we were very passionate about this na, the Kulit organization. Nung birthday niya, sinalubong namin cake. Tapos pagka-strike ng to, walang nangyari, umiiyak lang kami lahat. Yung parang iyak lang, pero I think it's nice. It's better that way na we get to express ourselves, our grief, and we have each other to take care of. So, okay naman, huwag kayong mag-alala ganyan. Okay naman kami, lumalaban, and every day is a struggle, but also like the people that we meet along the way and the people that we spend time with along the way have helped us, therapize what we're going through, and tuloy lang yung laban for sure. To be fair naman to him, aside from my parents siguro, like ramdam ko sa kanya na siya yung pinaka-proud lagi. Kasi yung kuya ko medyo constructive pa siya sa mga criticism. So kumari like manunood kami ng movie ko, kumari About Us But Not About Us, sa premiere magkakasama kami ganyan. My kuya would always be the critic sa akin. Yeah. Parang okay, you could have done this better, which I appreciate din naman, of course. Pero yan si JM lagi lang, galing mo kuya, good job kuya, grabe sa akin makagawa akong ganyan kuya. Laging ganoon lang si JM when it comes to me and my work. So even before everything else happened, ramdam kong proud na siya sa akin. Naparamdam niya sa akin yun. And sana in a way naparamdam ko rin proud ako sa kanya. Pag may badminton tournament siya, we always make it a point na pumunta kami as a family to support, kahit matalo or whatever, yakap lang ganyan. Naparamdam ko naman. Pero feeling ko, pinaka-proud siya yung music na na-release ko. Kasi kung Kilala Kita, yung Love Song, all those songs, sila ng kuya ko una ding nakarinig. Maliban kay Masyar. Sila ng kuya ko unang pinaparinig kasi kami magkakapatid, halos same kami ng taste sa pelikula, sa music, parang hip-hop din, and even sa movies, like pare-pareho kami ng taste. Tapos, I remember a week before he passed, I made him listen to Love Song and Kilala Kita na binago namin, para may binago kami sa arreglo. Tapos tumutuwa siya. Sobrang nagandahan siya. Tapos sabi niya, send niya na nga sa mga friends niya. Ganun. Sinend niya nga sa mga friends niya, nileak niya na. Tapos, ngayon, it's out now officially, and I'm sure he would be forcing his friends to stream it and all that stuff. So, ramdam ko hanggang ngayon na proud siya sa akin. And lahat ng ginagawa ko is for him, for sure.